Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys the Android 10 update that I got on my Redmi Note 8 Pro. So I'm actually using a different unit. This is the Chinese unit, and if you're not using the Chinese unit, you may already have some of these features and you'll get the update sooner or later. So yeah, without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the settings. And first of all, I want to show you guys the update, the size and all. So if I go right here, what's new, and you can see the size of this update is 2 GB, and it says system updated to security patch December 2019, increases system security, stable MIUI based on Android 10, and they fix some data uses thing as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I go to all specs, you can see that it is running Android 10, but in the update they haven't like mentioned all the changes that comes with the update. Most of the time when you get these Android updates, they give a detailed explanation about the changes and all, but it's just a simple update. And this is not like a full detailed video on the changes that you get. This is just an update video for you guys. You get also some new features in the notification tab as well. And yes, when I updated this downloaded this update, I got one more like Mi Home app which was not there, but this is not like a bloatware. You can uninstall it if you want. So yes, getting back to that little notification thing, and here are all the options available. I didn't have this car mode first of all, and this wake up with voice thing, and also the ultra battery saver mode, the dark mode, the Mi Share and all. But it right now I have all these options, and again, if you don't have this thing, you will get it. The update will come sooner or later, as I said. So yeah, let's quickly move on to that. And you can see this ultra battery saver mode, and you can just like enable this to save your battery, and it gets activated. It says the sun time, it's remaining 195 hours and 45 minutes. So yeah, this is how it works. Let's quickly exit. And if I go to the video section now, this is, I'm pretty sure if you have the MIUI 11, you already have this features. This is good for the TikTok user. They can just like choose the song whichever they like, and also you get these stickers and all. So yeah, as I said, this is not like a full dedicated video on the features you get. And again guys, you can see these options available right now. I may even make a dedicated video about this. So if I go to settings, one thing more I'm pretty sure it wasn't there is this like the VR option that is available right now. And many of you guys asked me about the gesture control. You can just enable it by going to the full screen mode. I'm actually using the gesture. You can use the buttons if you want. It's up to you. So yeah guys, I think that is pretty much a wrap. And if you have any question, you can just ask me in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you. So yeah guys, any question, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It does help a lot. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'll be making more videos about this update. And also yeah guys, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video guys. As always, peace out.